Detail. As the winter session entered its third week today, Parliament remained deadlocked and stalled due to standoff between the opposition and the government over demonetisation issue and how the debate should be held on it. And for the 15th consecutive day today, both the Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha failed to transact any business due to the uproar created by the opposition over demonetisation.
The Centre's demonetisation decision has had Parliament caught in a gridlock between the opposition and Treasury benches almost from the start of the winter session. Wednesday was no different. Both houses had to be adjourned till Thursday in the middle of the opposition's din. The moment proceedings began in Rajya Sabha on Wednesday, Congress along with some opposition parties raised a furor over difficulties being faced by the people after the high-value currency scrapping decision. Leader of the House and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley hit back hard over the matter, saying the opposition disrupts proceedings merely to be seen on television screens. He even dared the opposition for a thorough debate.
रेवेन्यू सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कहा कि हमारा जितना भी पैसा है वो करेंसी सब वापस आएगी। अब सब वापस आएगी तो ब्लैक मनी कहाँ? फिर ब्लैक मनी क्या?
विपक्ष का ये प्रयास रहता है कि 2 मिनट के लिए 0 आवर में विषय उठा दिया जाए, टेलीविजन कवरेज के लिए वो विषय उठे, लेकिन देश की जानकारी के लिए जो विस्तृत चर्चा होनी चाहिए उसकी अनुमति सदन में न दी जाए। सरकार इस प्रकार का जो हथकंडा अपनाया जा रहा है इसके लिए निश्चित रूप से तैयार नहीं है। जो चर्चा अधूरी है, अगर विपक्ष में हिम्मत है तो मैं आज भी चुनौती देता हूं कि उस चर्चा को तुरंत आरंभ किया जाए।
During the heated exchange, some members from both sides of the political divide came into the well of the House and started raising slogans. Deputy Chairman P.J. Kurian appealed repeatedly to both sides to maintain decorum and discuss. But as his appeals remained unheard, the House was adjourned till noon. When the House reassembled for question hour, the sloganeering refused to cease, forcing another adjournment till 2 p.m. And even at 2 p.m, the din remained unrelenting and the chair adjourned the House till Thursday. Even in the Lok Sabha, despite the presence of the Prime Minister, the opposition remained in disruptive mode. Congress and Trinamool MPs in particular kept raising a hue and cry all through question hour, interrupting proceedings. At 2 p.m, when the chair resumed proceedings, calling on a TRS member to resume the demonetisation discussion, TMC members did not let Jitendra Reddy speak. As the chaos kept mounting, the lower house was also adjourned till Thursday.
कांग्रेस और तृणमूल और बाकी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टियां ऐसे गतिरोध क्यों पैदा किया है? मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, यदि इस प्रश्नकाल के बाद 193 के तहत वो चर्चा करना चाहेंगे तो हम तैयार हैं। और वोटिंग ऐसे कह रहे हैं, वोटिंग हो चुकी है, इंटरनेशनली हो चुकी है, केवल भारत में नहीं है, टाइम मैगजीन के वोटिंग भी हो चुकी है और भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज के दिन में विश्व मान्य हो गए हैं।
Action taken on, demonetization by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is condemnable totally. And if you don't represent in the Parliament about what is happening, about the agonies of the people, the problems of the people, I think will not be responding to the people of the country.
Opposition's repeated disruptions have been testing the government's patience, and the Minister Venkaiah Naidu has now lashed out, asking what does the opposition really want.
कोई विषय है ही नहीं, क्या वो लोग रीमॉनिटाइजेशन के खिलाफ है क्या? बता रहे नहीं। फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? दिक्कतें आ रहे, दिक्कतें के बारे में चर्चा करना सदन में करने के लिए तैयार नहीं, पर हाउस चले उसके लिए भी तैयार नहीं। फिर स्पष्ट रूप में कह दे हम हाउस को नहीं चलना देना चाहते, वो भी कहने के लिए तैयार नहीं। इसलिए उनका रणनीति क्या है, वो क्यों ऐसा सुसाइडल पाथ पे जा रहे हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहे।
Till now, hardly any legislative work has been done during the winter session of Parliament due to tussle over the demonetisation issue. The opposition has been insisting on discussing the matter in the Lok Sabha under a provision that involves voting, while in the Rajya Sabha, it has been adamant on holding the entire discussion in the presence of the Prime Minister. And though the Prime Minister has been attending both houses of Parliament during this period, the opposition has been stalling debate through disruption. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, DD News.